you so much, sir. Today is my happy day, my most happy day. I'm so happy. Thank you, Mr. Ambrish. Thank you so much. I've passed my exam. I'm so happy. Thank you for your word of encouragement, your support, and all. Ambrish is the #1, the champion. He's the #1, fast one. No time. If you like, may your brain not dey work too much. If you like, say the brain don't, as in they work, it don't knock because of one or two things. Ambrish go make her open. Now only AmbrishQuickPatente, that be the #1. It go make you pass fast. I'm so happy. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. May God continue to bless you. Today, he said that, don't worry, my dear, go, you will pass it. He said, I know you will pass your exam. With the word of encouragement, everything, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. You will pass fast with AmbrishQuickPatente. You will pass today. Oh, my heart is, I don't know how it's doing me. I don't know. I don't know how I express myself. I'm so happy. I thank God. I give God a praise. I thank God. I also thank Mr. Ambrish. Thank you, sir. Thank you for everything. Even to the extent that I said I'm tired. I don't want to do this patente again. Do you know what? He called me and said, don't worry, you are almost there. Why do you want to give up? Don't give up. That's when I also, okay, since my teacher have not given up on me, my people, everybody have not given up on me, why will I give up on myself? So I'm happy. It made me to pass the exam. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Mr. Ambrish. Thank you. I really appreciate. God bless you. God bless you.